Forget mining rigs, forget market swings. This is how smart investors make money with Bitcoin every single day. In this video, I'll be telling you all there is to know about the GoMining platform, including how to get started, how to optimize your rewards, and of course, I'll tell you exactly how much you can earn. Let's get right into it. Before we go into detail, let's take a step back and take a look at the fundamentals of GoMining. GoMining is not your regular cloud mining provider. Instead of renting hashing power, you can use the GoMining platform to buy a fraction of a real hosted mining machine. This is done by tokenizing Bitcoin miners in the form of NFTs. By holding one of these NFTs, you get paid a share of the mining profits generated by GoMining's data centers. You automatically pay a small fee for electricity and maintenance and you keep the profits. But what really sets GoMining apart is that the mining power is yours forever and that you can resell your miner NFT whenever you want. But that's not all. There is an entire ecosystem built around the GoMining token, including token locking, liquidity rewards, special bonuses, and much more. I'll tell you a bit more about all of this later, but first let's check out the reason why you clicked on this video. Bitcoin mining. Starting out on GoMining is incredibly easy and also incredibly profitable. Just head over to the first link in the description and sign up using your email address. Once you're signed in on the platform, it will walk you through some of the basics, like the free bonus miner and some bonus tasks. For now, you can just skip all of this, as we'll be going through the entire process together. If you're on PC, you can continue on this webpage, but I myself prefer the mobile app, so let's continue on our phone. Alright, now that we're in the app, everything already seems a lot more clean. Now that we understand how GoMining works, let's take a look at how we can set up our first miner. To start, we head over to the miner section where we click the Create Miner button. On the GoMining platform, you can choose between 20 levels of power, ranging from $24 all the way up to $100,000. Now, below this power level, you can also choose the miner's efficiency. This is important for two reasons: your electricity costs and your future upgradability. With 50 watts per terahash, you are future-proof, meaning that you can keep upgrading the same miner for a long time and that you won't be paying a lot of electricity fees. With 20 watt per terahash, however, you achieve the highest returns, but maybe you won't be able to upgrade your miner in the future. That's not because your miner runs out, but because over the long run your electricity costs will keep rising while the Bitcoin mining rewards will only keep dropping. To me, this isn't important right now, as you can always create new miners or even upgrade your energy efficiency later. What is important is that you pay your maintenance fees using the GoMining token. This gives an incredible boost to your ROI without any downside. Another important thing is that since this is our first miner, we have this option right here. Adding the code PD04S when buying your first miner gives you 5% extra power. After using this code, your ROI will come close to 50%, meaning that you'll be able to pay off the miner within just 2 years. Now, paying for the miner has never been easier. There is tons of different payment methods, including credit card, Google Pay, crypto, Binance Pay, and Coinbase Pay. So let's go ahead and buy this miner. Alright, now that we've bought ourselves a brand new miner, there's a couple of tricks we can use to boost our ROI even further. Don't worry, it's not that complicated, and when we've got this all set up, we can just sit back, relax, and watch our portfolio grow. You can get a discount on your maintenance fees based on two factors: your VIP discount and the amount of tokens you hold. Your VIP level is based on how much power your miners have. In total, you can gain another 0.3 to 6% in discount by upgrading your VIP level. There are some additional perks to getting a higher VIP level as well. One of the most important goals you should be aiming for is the reinvestment in power option. You can achieve this with just 10 terahashes a second, and it opens up a completely new world of compounding rewards. If you've got some more money to spend, the VIP support is another really great perk, but you are going to have to invest around 10k USD to reach this level. In short, the higher your VIP status, the higher your discount. But what about the token discount? Well, believe it or not, but this is even more profitable. The amount of GoMining tokens you have to hold to reach the maximum discount depends on your mining power and your efficiency. You reach the maximum discount when you hold at least 1 year worth of maintenance fees. Personally, I would recommend to buy these tokens upfront or to let your miners pay out in GMT until you have the full discount. Either way, it will massively help out your profitability. Now, once you've got yourself some tokens, you can head over to this section. Here you can lock your tokens for a certain amount of time. The longer you lock them, the more rewards you get. Now, the great thing is that these rewards get stacked on top of your maintenance discount. One last important thing to note is that we can click our service miner button to get an extra discount every single day. Using the exact method we just discussed, we can boost our ROI to well above 50% a year. And that's it. You've now set up a fully passive way to mine Bitcoin using just your phone. Of course, it is important to note that just like with any other investment, there is risk involved. And as usual, with a high reward like this, there is quite a high risk. Now, GoMining is my personal favorite platform because I believe that the risk to reward ratio is just the highest. The platform is easy to use and most importantly, it's profitable. It's how I myself managed to turn my passion for cloud mining into a pretty decent sized income. If you want to do the same, all the links needed are in the description below. Or if you want to dive deeper into the tokenomics behind this project, you can check out the video here. And if you want to know exactly how much I earned after 1 month of using the platform, you can check out this video. For now, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video.